See the circle? No? It's a good time for a very important lesson then. That is, how to describe a circle to someone who can't see it. Now, in order to describe the circle, we need to tell the person two things. First, where is the circle? Second, how big is the circle? Now, we describe where a circle is by saying where the center of the circle is. The point that's right in the middle of the circle, points in the middle of my circle, is point A. That's the center of my circle. And we describe how large a circle is by describing how far away all the points on the circle are from the center point. This little blue point, that's on my circle, and it's 3 away from A. All the points on the circle are exactly 3 away from A, and that's how we define the circle. Now, do you see the circle? All right, I'm going to magically make that point trace out all the points on the board that are 3 away from A, and then we'll see the circle. There it goes. This is how we define a circle. All the points on this board that are 3 away from A form this circle. That's the definition of a circle. That's an interesting problem here is how far does that blue point, this point that's going around the circle, have to go in order to go all the way around the circle once? What's the perimeter of a circle? Well, we have a special word for the perimeter of a circle. We call it the circumference of the circle. Now here, I have another circle. This time I've included the circle there for you. You can see this circle, right? All right, that's good. And what we have here from B to C is what's called the diameter. That's the distance all the way across the circle. So for the distance from A to B, that's just from the center to the circle, that's the radius. The diameter is the distance all the way across, and we can see the diameter consists of 2 of these radiuses, or radii, so the diameter is double the radius. Now the circumference, that's the distance all the way around, and we can see here this particular circle has a circumference of nearly 20.22. Its diameter is nearly 6.44. We're approximating here. Now watch what happens as I slide point B around. At the ratio of the circumference to the diameter, it stays the same. It always equals a number that's about 3.14. This number is a very, very special number. It's a constant in mathematics. You take any circle in the entire world, you take the distance all the way around it, the circumference, you divide by the distance across the circle, the diameter, you will always get this very special constant. It's called pi. It's not exactly 3.14. This is an approximation. Pi is a decimal that goes on and on and on. Never terminates, never repeats. It's just like the square root of 2 that way.